So you guys, what you're looking at is out the window at Hot Springs, and we are inside the Hot Springs Hotel. And take a look at this place. It is amazing, and you're not going to believe the square footage in this thing. But again, I'm Rick Dancer. This is PNW, the backstories, and we want to thank our sponsors, Toyota and your Northwest Toyota dealer, because without them, we couldn't get here, and this is a trip. So these are very brave people. Introduce yourselves.
I'm Tamara.
Mike Rezavi.
So tell them the plans. You guys are in a month or so. You're going to own this.
If it all goes right, yeah, that's the plan.
So what do you want to do?
Well, we've got this idea of turning this into a little bit of a hub in Northeast Oregon that focuses on the hot springs, having multiple hot springs, soaking pools, as well as great lodging, saving the history, and having other things like spa services, movie theater, and multiple pubs.
So how many square feet are in this place?
It's about 70,000 square feet here.
70,000?
Yes. It's 3 stories and about 70,000 square feet.
So when was it built?
This was built in 1908. It was part of a larger structure that burned down in 1934 that was started in the 1800s, and only a few sections back here still exist.
So it was a whole town under, because that was like the bank back there, right?
Correct. Yeah, the bank, post office.
So how the people that bought this before, what happened? They purchased it years ago?
Right. So when the current owners purchased it back in 2004, the building was in really like tear down condition.
She said it didn't have a roof.
Yeah, the roof had come out. 430 some windows were all gone and totally missing. You're looking at, really, from a construction background, which I have, a tear down. And they went and put millions and millions of dollars in, saved the building, brought it back from the brink, and it's just looking for a little bit of a refresh, and it needs a little bit of help still.
So why this building? This is the good story. Hold on. I got to get you both in here. So you guys are kind of hot tub fanatics.
Right.
Right.
Tell people this.
Well, we met back in 2001 at Bagby Hot Springs. I was involved with the Friends of Bagby that took care of the hot springs for the Forest Service. And she'd been to about 30 hot springs. I'd been to about 20. And we've got this hot springs addiction. In 2013, we were able to buy the property next door, which was an RV park that had hot springs water pumped over from Hot Lake, and we've been turning that more into a property that's focused on the hot springs. And so this just is kind of the next logical step right here, the property next door. We should be open in April, and with kind of a simplified concept of, we'll clean up some rooms, we'll have at least one pub open, we'll have the movie theater open, and we'll have some, refreshed and great hot spring soaking. And then the idea is to grow organically from there, so that we'll be able to add rooms, add pubs, add other amenities organically. And, as that happens, as more people show up, we'll hire more people and we'll keep doing more.